Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start a new lesson that is stone soup. Stone soup. See, a village is there, a few small cottages standing close by. In a village, a few small cottages standing close by. They belong to Motiram, Sonabai, Hirabai, and Rupabai. It's evening. They are chatting outside Motiram's house. So, in a small village, a few small cottages standing close by. छोटे छोटे cottages नजदीक नजदीक थे. They belong to Motiram. एक मोतीराम का था, देन सोनाबाई, हीराबाई एंड रूपाबाई. ऐसे 3 लेडीज थे और एक मोतीराम नाम का वहां पे एक जेंट्स था. ओके, इट्स इवनिंग टाइम था. दे आर chatting outside Motiram's house. Now, Motiram said, "Your farm produce was really good this year." I am told. मोतीराम कह रहा था किसी को, Your farm produce was really good this year. आपके फार्म में बहुत अच्छा अनाज हुआ this year. I am told. इससे मुझे कहा गया. मोतीराम, सोनाबाई, so was yours, I hear. So was yours, I hear. Motiram, I don't want to advertise it, though it might attract guests. Traveler enters from a corner, the villagers don't see him. Traveler आते हैं, enters from a corner, the villagers don't see him. Hirabai, you are right. You are right. Guest can be a nuisance. Sorry. Guest can be a nuisance. Sonabai, I agree, especially uninvited guest. हाँ, जो uninvited guest होते हैं वो किसी को अच्छे नहीं लगते. Okay. So traveler becomes nervous, doesn't come forward. Hirabai, true. I never waste good food and money on others. Rupabai, do you think that is right? How can we refuse them? Hirabai, just find some polite excuses, that's all. Sonabai say, you are right, I can always cook up some excuse. Motiram, me too, for me, charity begins at home and stays at home. So Motiram is saying, me too. I'm agree. Charity begins at home and stays at home. Anyway, I must attend to my work now. See you. Motiram ऐसे कह के चला गया. He just want to attend his work. Okay. So here, all neighbors, see you later. They enter their homes. Traveler comes forward. Traveler, what hard luck. I am a poor, footsore traveler, and I am so hungry. But this bunch of villagers looks tough. I don't think they will offer me food or rest, but let me try. Yes. So they enter their homes, traveler comes forward. Travel is saying, what hard luck, I am poor, foot-store traveler, and I am so hungry. Traveler उनके घर में आया and वो कहने लगा, I am so hungry. But this bunch of villagers look tough. I don't think they will offer me food or rest. But let me try. मुझे तो ये लोग बहुत ही हार्ड लगते हैं. ये मुझे फूड और रेस्ट करने के लिए जगह नहीं दे सकते. Okay. I feel so. He knocks on Motiram's door. Motiram opens the door. Motiram opens the door. Motiram. Yes. Who are you and what do you want? Traveler. I am a traveler. I am very hungry and tired. Can I please have some food and a place to rest for the night? मैं एक traveler हूँ and I want what you want some food and a place to rest for the night. Motiram, dinner is over. There is nothing left. Try elsewhere. मोतीराम कहने लगा डिनर तो कब का खत्म हो गया है. देयर इज नथिंग लेफ्ट. कुछ भी बचा नहीं है. यू कैन ट्राई एल्सवेयर. तो कहीं और जाके मांगो. ओके. सो शट्स द डोर विद अ बैंग. मोतीराम ने जोर से दरवाजा बंद कर दिया. ओके. यू जस्ट क्लोज द डोर. Okay, so he shuts the door with a bang. Traveler, how rude. Let me try the next door. Knocks on Sunabai's door. She comes out. Good evening, kind lady. I am a traveler. Can I have some food and a corner to rest for tonight? Okay, so he is saying, good evening, kind lady. I am a traveler. Can I have some food and a corner to rest for tonight? Sunabai, putting her hand behind her ear. What did you say? Traveler, aloudly, he is saying, can I have some food? Sunabai, food? Why? There is plenty in the forest. उसने फुड बोला और सोनाबाई को क्या सुनाई दिया? उड़. So find a fallen tree and chop all the wood that you need. So उसने क्या किया? जो उसने सोनाबाई ने उससे कहा ट्रैवलर से कि जो भी पेड़ नीचे गिरा है वहां से तुम उड़ो, कलेक्ट कर लो, चॉप करो उसे और कलेक्ट करो जितना चाहिए उतना. ट्रैवलर, आई सेड फूड, आई एम हंग्री. ट्रैवलर से, अरे मुझे वुड नहीं चाहिए. आई सेड फूड, मैंने फूड बोला. आई एम हंग्री. सोनाबाई, you agree. Fine, then go and chop the wood. Goes back into the house. उसने ऐसे बोला, wood, wood. Okay, then go back and chop the wood. Traveler, well, that was a clever excuse. She pretended to be hard of hearing. Let me try elsewhere. ऐसे करके हीराबाई ने उसने भी सोनाबाई ने उसे आगे भेज दिया. Knocks on हीराबाई डोर. फिर वो हीराबाई के पास गया. Anyone at home? Any food for a hungry traveler? So उसने कहा कि आप कुछ फूड दे सकते क्या for a hungry traveler. So here Hirabai comes up. Good evening, ma'am. I wonder if I could get something to eat and a place to rest for the night. Hirabai, pretending not to understand his language. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. On doof dan. On test of rough Inuyan era. Traveler, I don't understand you. So Hirabai ऐसे बोलने लगे कि उसको कुछ भी नहीं समझ में. On do हो गया like this. Okay. So what happened next? Hirabai shaking her hand. Dub, I would, don, dow, yog, ot, og, evel. So कौन से ऐसी ऐसी लैंग्वेज उसने बोली उसको कि उसको कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है ना. goes back inside leaving the traveler billboard. Traveler, so that I was tricked, talking gibberish and am not defeated. Knocks on रूपा बाई's door. फिर वो नेक्स्ट ऐसी भाषा बोलने लगी, वो उसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, तो वो कहा गया फिर रूपा बाई's door. She comes out. रूपा बाई, yes. Who are you, young man? I have not seen you around. Traveler, I am a traveler and I wondered if I could get some food as well as a corner to rest for this night. Rupabai thinks, alas, my larder is empty. I'm so hungry myself, but I have nothing left in the house. Traveler, I'm sorry to hear that. Rupabai, I'm sorry too, but I can't help it. Sorry, turns to leave. Traveler, aloud, wait, madam, if you are also hungry, I can make us both some soup. Rupabai, but I told you to my larder's empty. I can't offer you anything. All I need is a cooking pot, a spoon, and some water. मुझे क्या चाहिए? एक cooking pot, spoon और water. I have a magic stone in my bag. When you boil it in the water, it makes a delicious, nourishing soup. So, traveler, Rupabai. Traveler Rupabai से कहने लगा, he is saying that मेरे पास एक मैजिक बॉल है, सिर्फ मुझे सूप बना लेके एक वाटर पॉट वाटर चाहिए. ओके, सो रूपाबाई रीड अ मैजिक स्टोन. सो रूपाबाई को लगा मैजिक स्टोन अगर होता है तो when you boil it in water, it makes a delicious, nourishing soup. Rupabai, really a magic stone? And all you need is a pot of water. I think I can manage that much. Traveler, yes, just a pot of water, only a big one. Rupabai goes back to her cottage. Traveler collects wood and makes a fire in one corner. Other neighbors peep from their door windows and watch quietly but curiously. Rupabai comes out with a very big pot. Rupabai, here's your pot of water. Traveler, thank you. Now just wait and watch. Puts the pot on the fire, take out a stone from his pocket and drops it in the pot. Rupabai, a magic stone that makes soup. I can hardly believe this. Sits down to watch. Traveler. Sorry. He is sniffing and pretending to enjoy the aroma. Ah, lovely. It's going to be really delicious. To Rupabai. If only we had 1 or 2 potatoes to add. It tastes heavenly with potatoes, but alas, we don't have any. Rupabai, oh, 1 or 2, you said. Let me see if I have just 1 or 2 left somewhere. Sorry. She brings a few peeled potatoes here, luckily. I had just a few left. I have been peeled them for you. Traveler, wonderful. Puts the potatoes in the spot, stirs for some time and sniffs again. What with the potatoes you have given? The soup will now be terrific. Sniffs, carrots and tomatoes. Would you give it a tempting color? Wouldn't they? But that would be too much to hope for. Rupabai, oh, I don't know. Sonabai comes out with some tomatoes. Sonabai, hello, maybe I can be of some help. I have reserved these tomatoes for tomorrow, but I am always willing to help, you know. And I know the Hirabai has plenty of carrots, but I am not sure if she will have share a few with us. Now, Hirabai, she enters with a few carrots. I don't have plenty. In fact, I too was reserving this for tomorrow. But never mind, if Sonabai can spare her tomatoes, I too can spare these. After all, you don't get to see a magic stone making a magic soup every day. Okay. Now traveler bows to the woman. I'm really speechless, you noble ladies. This is going to be a famous soup at the vegetable stores and snips. सो इन दिस वे सब लोग अपना अपना सूप का उसको सामान टोमेटो पोटेटोज कैरेट सब ला के देते हैं ओके और सब लोग जमा होके एक ही जगह देखो इन दिस पिक्चर सब लोग जमा होके एक जगह बैठ गए और वो सूप बना रहा है सो दिस इज हिज मैजिक सूप ओके यस remaining portion of this lesson we will see in the next period okay so in this way धीरे धीरे मोतीराम सोनाबाई रूपाबाई सब लोग आते हैं और उसको कुछ ना कुछ देते कोई कैरेट देता है कोई टोमेटो देता है कोई पोटैटो देता है और वो सूप बनाता है ओके सो हियर दिस इज आवर lesson stone soup so your homework is read the lesson the lesson. Okay. So everybody read it. Here we will stop.